Welcome to the MarkiTech channel. In this video we will learn how to use Google AI Studio. Let's start. We will learn how to use Google AI Studio to build a website of ebook store. First, access the Google AI Studio aistudio.google.com. Then log in using your Gmail account. Now we need to build a new application. In the left-hand side, go to Build. In the text box, describe the website idea. Like, I need to build a new website for my company bookshelf. It will be an ebook store, shows the books with its category and small description, author name, and price. Now let's wait until it build the website. Let's preview the generated website. Now we can change and modify the website. Let's add login or sign up page. Let's check the changes. Finally, we can publish the website to the internet if we have Google Cloud account, and this will be introduced in another video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.